Did you know that the world's largest microbrewery is in this country? I was a tad bit surprised to hear that too, but Bangalore being the pub capital of this country already, come to think of it, it doesn't actually serve as a surprise. Ironhill in Bangalore is apparently the world's largest microbrewery, and today I and Ron have come here to find out what the hype is all about. We just got inside the main premises of the pub and are driving up to park our car now. And that's the place. I can see quite a crowd for Wednesday night, but thankfully we didn't forget to call and reserve our tables beforehand. What are microbreweries? These are breweries that are smaller than conventional breweries that churn out beers on a much larger scale. Also, they are known to be more experimental in the process of manufacturing, flavors, ingredients than most run-of-the-mill beers. So we're inside the brewery now and we've been led to sit on the upper story of the outdoor seating area. We can have a pretty good look of the expanse of the brewery from where we sit, but honestly, I wish I had the liberty to pick our seats. We ordered for a seasonal special brew, which was a mango flavored beer called Native Secrets. So you might want to make a note of that name if you are into mangoes and you go to Ironhill, because trust me, it tasted awesome. Now that we are done with one round of starters and drinks, let me take us around the expanse of this place. We will start with the upper floor where we are sitting and then descend to the lower floor to explore it. This place apparently can hold about 2,000 people, and I can see how. The outside seating area is quite huge, and then there are those levels of seating across 3 floors. Overall, I like this place. Other than that, I have yet to truly notice anything that distinctly sets it apart from other breweries in the city. Finally, here comes our verdict about the food. The starters we had ordered were all good. The pork on skewers and then the chicken wings. The mutton we had in our main course later was quite on the saltier side, but that's fine. The dessert was amazing. I felt that the items in the menu were not so highly priced like I had initially anticipated. In fact, I found them to be lower than most pubs I had been to in Bangalore in the recent times. Am I coming back here? I, of course, will, to try the rest of their beers. So what is the rating I would give Ironhill? I would give it a 4.5 out of 5. The 0.5 because of the salty mutton, and if that weren't the case, I would have given it a solid 5 out of 5. Thanks for being with me here until the end of this video. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And I'll see you around in my next video. So until then, take care of yourselves and bye.